So let's say that I have a set of shapes that should be together. With the selector tool, I can select one by one, or if I click Shift, I can add all of the shapes that I want to the selection. I can also, of course, click and drag and select everything. But what if I don't want to do this every time and I want this selection to be permanent? I can go to Object, Group, or Ctrl G, and you see that now those shapes are together. And if I want to split them again, of course I can go to Object, Ungroup, and now I am free to modify my selection. Now I want to group it again. So now that I have a group, it's easier for me, of course, to move it around, having all together.